Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is an exciting day because we've got the Apple Watch SE 2022 in the house. I can't wait to unbox this and see what's inside. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated on the latest tech reviews and unboxings. Now let's get started. Alright, here's the moment we've all been waiting for, the Apple Watch SE 2022. The packaging, as always, is sleek and minimalistic. Let's go ahead and lift the lid. Just look at this box. Apple never disappoints when it comes to presentation. Now let's carefully lift the watch out of its snug compartment. Before we get to the watch itself, let's see what else is in the box. We've got the usual suspects, the charging cable, and some documentation. Apple's attention to detail is always impressive. Now let's peel off this protective cover and get our first look at the Apple Watch SE 2022. Wow, just look at the display. It's bright, sharp, and ready for action. The build quality as expected from Apple is top-notch. The aluminum case feels solid yet lightweight on the wrist. As I turn it around, you can see the heart rate sensor, the new speaker design, and the improved digital crown. It's all about those little details that make the Apple Watch special. Now let's power it up for the first time. I love that feeling of turning on a new device. And there it is, the iconic Apple logo. While it's booting up, let's take a quick moment to appreciate the design. Okay, I'm not going to make you sit through the entire setup process, but let me quickly mention some key features of the Apple Watch SE 2022. The display is larger and more vibrant, making it easier to read notifications and messages. The new watchOS brings some exciting features including smart stack widgets, walking radius to see what's around you in a walkable distance, as well as an updated interface. So that's the unboxing and first impressions of the Apple Watch SE 2022. I'm really excited to put it through its paces and see how it performs in real-world scenarios. If you have any specific questions or if there's anything else you'd like to see in a future review, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for joining me today. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed the unboxing and subscribe for more tech content. Until next time.